Is anybody else plum trees and apple trees fruiting in October? I guess from all the scorching heat that we had, it put so much distress on the trees that as soon as it cooled off just a little, and after all the rain from the hurricane, it started blooming again. All right, family, so after further investigation, we got plums in October. Now I'm pretty sure these plums won't make it because the temperatures are too low during the night. But they everywhere. Sorry, y'all. It's about 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. I had plums in October.